In this video, I offer to you a free Flatsome theme, that is a highly responsive and multifunctional WordPress theme. You can find, in the description of this video, the download link, user and password for admin dashboard by accessing our website. This Flatsome theme is suitable for the fashion business for men, women, and similar business. The theme style is modern, youthful, professional, and completely free for you. You can see that Flatsome is fully responsive. It will look great no matter which device your visitors are using. This will help you increase conversions and make it possible for potential customers, clients, or buyers to buy from you, or book your services even when they are on the go. The Flatsome theme now ships with its own UX page builder, which is much easier to use than Visual Composer. Using this builder, you can add rows, columns, sections, and various blocks to your posts and pages as well as your product, store, and checkout pages. On top of that, you can even import pre-made demos by using Flatsome Studio. Flatsome comes with a built-in header and footer builder, so you can customize these areas to better suit your type of website. Choose from different layouts or build your own from scratch, using pre-made blocks and elements. Note that, Flatsome is one of the best themes for WooCommerce websites. It's a mobile-friendly WooCommerce theme, that's inspired by internet company designs. Additionally, there are also plenty of customization options in the theme customizer, so you can easily adjust headers, footers, page layouts, and more. The checkout page is one of the most important pages on your site, as this is where a customer finally converts into a buyer, or abandons your website and you lose the sale. Luckily, the Flatsome theme gives you complete control over the look of your checkout page. For further details such as download links for free, user and password of admin dashboard, please visit the link in the description of this video. Also, do not forget subscribe and make comments for motivating us. Thanks for watching and see you soon.